This is one of those I can't believe I didn't do it sooner routines for my sweet Sophie girl. I take NAD Plus myself, and one day I thought, well, why wouldn't I support my 14-year-old golden doodle with a NAD Plus precursor too, just to help her age a little more comfortably? So I started adding the senior dog supplement powder to Sophie's food daily, and I'm telling you, I notice a difference when I stay consistent. She just seems more like herself, a lot more energy. What I like about this one is it uses nicotinamide riboside, NR, which is a NAD plus precursor, and it's made specifically for senior dogs. It's designed to support healthy aging, including cellular energy and vitality. And it's not just that. There's 1,500 milligrams of hydrolyzed collagen in here. So I love it because with older dogs, you're always thinking about their joints and mobility and even their coat support. And at the same time, giving them a little more energy. Also, the flavor matters. This has a beef liver and bone broth taste, and that's a big deal if you have a picky eater like Sophie. She doesn't hesitate to eat it right up, and it mixes right into her food. I add a little water and just give it a stir. You get 30 scoops in the container, and depending on how you serve it, it can last up to 60 days. So it's an easy daily add-on. And just to show how much I trust it, I've ordered this 13 times. As long as Sophie and I are here, we'll both be doing NAD Plus routines every day. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating these cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.